You're watching the Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Today's topic, how to look 10 years younger without surgery. My first guest has developed a unique protocol. She calls it the time machine, and you probably don't even need to give her an introduction. She is America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess Mauricio.
Hello,
welcome to the program.
Randy.
And everybody, you know, I talk to doctors, all over the U.S. And I was telling you, somebody else was just saying, oh yeah, Dr. Mauricio. Everybody seems to know you now because you've been on the Doctors and Rachael Ray. And
we've done a lot of these shows, and I've been very fortunate because I've had the opportunity to really, usher in a lot of the latest technologies in non-surgical rejuvenation. And now I've kind of put everything together in a wonderful, really super effective package called the Time Machine. And we call it the Time Machine because it literally is, patients can step into our time machine and we can bring them back how they look 10 years, 5 years, depending on how much time they have to heal, depending on their skin type. It's individualized on the patient's problem and their skin type, but we're getting amazing results without surgery.
Who's the typical patient that sees you now for this?
Well,
these procedures.
These are patients that probably when they were younger, they were attractive, they used to get a lot of compliments, and then over time with aging and things that happens with women, they just feel invisible.
Okay.
I mean, they're
Did
just,
they tell you
nobody,
that?
Yes. I mean, no one's noticing them, no one's commenting. They don't like to take photos of themselves. They're horrified when they, take photos of themselves. You're going to get to talk to my patient, Jennifer. I mean, the reason she came to my clinic is she accidentally flipped, the camera when she was taking a photo of her grandkids, it flipped, and then she accidentally took a photo of herself, and she was mortified.
On her iPhone?
Yes. And she was mortified when she saw how she looked. And these were women who used to be beautiful, and now they're like, what happened? And so...
I saw the clip. So she's a 58-year-old woman.
And she has 6 kids, 12 grandkids, a beautiful person. She's a teacher, and she really just felt like she's lost herself. And we did the Time Machine, again, a combination of non-surgical procedures, the best the technology can offer, and also combined with my expertise. I mean, the results are outstanding.
So give me a recap of what someone might get. Okay, so they go in, 40-plus woman goes in. Is it a combination of laser, a little
What
Botox,
we do is
fillers?
really addressing everything that happens to why we end up looking older.
Okay.
We address the deterioration of the skin, the sun damage, sunspots, age spots, the thinning of the skin, crepiness, wrinkles, the loss of volume. That's the reason why we're sagging. It's not like we've grown new skin as we age, which is why now we have wrinkles and loose skin, which is the reason why facelifts and cutting never really creates natural results. You're not getting to the bottom of why you have this look as you age. But the Time Machine, we are doing skin resurfacing, we're revolumizing, we are using and harnessing patients' own natural ability to create collagen. And when we do this, you really are addressing why this person looks older. So this is why they look natural. Patients who come to me also know that my expertise is really creating natural looking results. They look refreshed, they look younger, they look prettier. Patients who come to me are never going to look unnatural. That is my promise to all my patients. And the patients who come to me want that. That is what they're looking for, because not all surgeons, not all doctors have the same eye for beauty. And I think, it's very important that people out there know the doctor that they go to.
Find a doctor that has an eye for beauty.
Exactly.